Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I thought I would do a monthly review for October 2020. And here we go. Look at how cute this little one is. This was actually part of our club set this month. We have the cute little snow globe and the add-on for the cute little reindeer and a whole bunch of other little cute guys. Then, oh, here's another example. Ooh, look how cute. So that little gingerbread house and the trees were part of our club set. We also released this gorgeous starburst background die, which is so pretty. Here's another example of that starburst background die, so pretty. And again, this little nativity scene was in part of the add-on sets. I love it. Then, if you wanted to do that snow globe, but you didn't want it to be for winter or summer or whatever, look at this. You could turn it into an aquarium. I love that. Isn't that so adorable? We also re-released our gift card rectangle fold it. Now it doesn't have to hold a gift card, but look at how fun that is and how easy. We then also released lots of fun stuff, the Happy Thanksgiving. Look at how fun that Happy Thanksgiving phrase is. So easy to do, so much fun. We also released, dun, 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 our circle slimline dies. They are so fun, so cute, and so easy. Oh, and our little fingerprint guys, stamps and dies. Those were one of my favorites this month. I just love them so much. We also released our Happy Birthday Trendy version. Now here it is in two different versions. It's perfect for the slimline, but you can also do it on regular cards as well. We had our Kit Club release. Here's an example of the Kit Club. Here's another example of the Kit Club. You were gonna love that. There's our snow globe again. I love that one so much. Oh, here's some examples of all the fun little guys that came in the add-on set. Look at that. Some came in the club and some came in the add-on. Just so adorable. And this is our box card die, which is nice because it folds flat for mailing. I love it. Now, oh, here's more fingerprints. I love them. Look at that little shark. So cute, so fun. We also released a gingerbread fold it set. Now, wait, is it a gingerbread or is it a gnome house? You get to decide. Make it any kind of house you want, but look at that. Two different looks from the exact same die set. So much fun. We also, my friends, are you excited about this as I am? We also released 2 packs of glitter paper that you can die cut, and guess what? The glitter does not come off. The nice thing about these, also made in the United States. Isn't that fantastic? We're really proud of that. Now, last but not least, we have some pearl paper. Now, you could call this pearl, you could call it shimmer. All I know is I called this mine. That's why it's out of the package, because I had to put this in my stash. I love all these gorgeous colors, and I know the camera doesn't pick it up very well, but they are nice and shimmery and shiny and lovely. I love them. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. And if you're thinking, wow, all of these products are really fun, but I wish I could have those all at a discount, you can. If you're a club member, you're getting a 15% discount. If you're a gold club member, you're getting a 20% discount. Go check it out at thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.